I'm going to show you how to get access to hundreds of free website templates that are fully customizable using a plugin. A plugin works like an app for your website. It adds new features just like apps do on your phone. On the left, click on Plugins. You can close this banner if you'd like. And then on the left, you want to click Add Plugin. Over here, we can search for plugins. And I'll search for Starter Templates. And then when you see this one here, you can click Install Now. Once it's done installing, click Activate to open Starter Templates. On this screen, click Build with Templates, and then we want to select Elementor here as our page builder. Now, if you don't see Elementor listed here, let me quickly show you the fix that will make it reappear. Click back here, and then exit to Dashboard. On the left, let's hover over Settings, and click General. And then once we're on this page, let's start scrolling down. And all the way at the bottom, we have a section for starter templates. Next to it, this option says Disable Elementor Page Builder Templates in Starter Templates. If this is checked for you, uncheck it so that it looks like mine, and then click Save Changes. After you've saved, let's go back to Plugins, and let's scroll down to find Starter Templates, and click Get Started here. Now we can click Build with Templates again, and this time, if you didn't see it before, you can continue by clicking on Elementor as your page builder.